Hello friends, in last video we have studied about series and parallel combination of resistor. Now we are going to discuss about cell. What is cell? Cell is a device which convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Now we will discuss about some important terms related to cell. First is electromotive force, EMF. Electromotive force is the maximum potential difference between two electrodes of cell when no current is drawn from the cell. Second term is terminal voltage. Potential difference between both terminals of cell when cell provide current to circuit is terminal voltage. Now, why there is potential difference between both electrode if circuit is open or closed? The third term is internal resistance of cell. As we know that what is potential? Potential is a type of energy, and energy of any cell is constant. If it isn't working, then energy will be maximum, and if it work, then energy will slightly low. How? Because it will be due to internal resistance. How internal resistance? We know that if current is flowing by a cell, then at outside current will flow from positive terminal to negative terminal, and at inside current will flow from negative terminal to positive terminal. While flow of current from negative terminal to positive terminal inside a cell, the charge carrier will resist due to presence of some chemicals in cell. This property of resist is known as internal resistance of cell. The opposition offered by the electrolyte of cell to flow of electric current through it is called the internal resistance of cell. Internal resistance of cell is represented by small r. Terminal voltage is represented by capital V, and electromotive force is represented by EMF or E. Factors affecting internal resistance of cell. First, if distance between both electrodes is high, then charge carriers or electron will feel more resistance due to electrolyte solution. Hence, internal resistance is directly proportional to distance between both electrodes. Second, as we know that resistance capital R equal to rho L by A. Rho is resistivity, which is inverse of conductivity. If conductivity is higher, then resistance will be lower. So, resistivity or internal resistance of cell is inversely proportional to conductivity of electrolyte solution present in cell. Third, if cross-sectional area of electrodes is high, then internal resistance will be low. Now, representation of cell. It is representation of cell. There is a small resistance near to the cell. This small resistance is internal resistance of cell. E is EMF or electromotive force. Small r is internal resistance. When we connect a cell to external resistance capital R, then potential difference across external resistance will be capital V and potential drop on internal resistance is small v. The maximum capacity or EMF of cell will distribute in two parts: potential drop on external resistor capital V and potential drop on internal resistance small v. E equal to V plus V. Since current is capital I constant, so small v will be IR. So E equal to V plus IR or IR plus IR. Current I equal to E upon capital R plus small r. This is called circuit equation of cell. Now, internal resistance of cell in term of E, V and capital R. As we know that EMF equal to potential drop on external resistor plus potential drop on internal resistance. So IR equal to E minus V. We know that terminal voltage will be same as potential drop across external resistor capital V will be IR. Divide left hand side by IR and right hand side by capital V. I will be cancel out. Hence, small r internal resistance will be EMF minus terminal voltage upon terminal voltage into capital R. E minus V upon V into capital R. This formula will be useful in our next chapter, 6th chapter. Okay. Thank you.